What's up, guys? Frank from Midnight Chaos. We just got some product in from our warehouse. We wanted to share it with you. A nice little unboxing. Check out how it looks when you get it. It comes with the Midnight Chaos right on the front of the bag. We're super excited about all this. Comes with your receipt. Logo on it. Pretty dope. I can't see it. Oh, that's nice. Tight. In the front.
Oh man, it's really good material too.
Yeah, it feels awesome. The shirt feels great. What do y'all think? Let us know. Oh yeah. Stupid fresh in the light. Oh, that gray look far.
Ooh, got the gold on gray.
Get your merch today at midnightchaosllc.com. Make sure you go and subscribe and like our Instagram. And we'll be back with more content.
All right, man. So as y'all can see, merch is now available. Go to midnightchaosllc.com. Get your merch today. We got shirts, hats. I don't got a hat yet, so ignore this. But we got hats, we got merch, stickers, merch for women. So, if you want to support the channel, if you like what you see, like what we post, go to midnightchaosllc.com, grab you a shirt, sticker, hat, or something, and continue to check back for more content. Peace.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.